I'm gonna cast a spell on you. You're gonna do what I want you to. Mix it up here in my little bowl. Say a few words and you lose control. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. Put a spell on you. You'll feel the fog as I cloud your mind. You'll get dizzy when I make the sign. You'll wake up in the dead of night, missing me when I'm out of sight. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. Oh yeah. With this little cobweb potion, you'll fall into dark devotion. If you ever lose affection, I can change your whole direction. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm gonna put a spell on you. I'm a hex girl, and I'm gonna put a spell on you. We're gonna put a spell on all of you. Earth, wind, fire, and air. We may look bad, but we don't care. We ride the wind, we feel the fire. To love the earth is our one desire. To love the earth is our one desire. Love the earth, it's only fair. It's one big earth that we must share. We love the earth with all our fire. It's in our souls, our one desire. Earth, wind, fire, and air. We may look bad, but we don't care. We ride the wind, we feel the fire. To love the earth is our one desire. To love the earth is our one desire. Nature is a precious gift. It will make your spirits lift. Love the earth with all your fire. It's in your soul, your one desire. Earth, wind, fire, and air. We may look bad, but we don't care. We ride the wind, we feel the fire. To love the earth is our one desire. To love the earth is our one desire.
set me free, uncage my heart.
Can't wait for you and me. It's time for you to see.
Trap of love, snared by desire. Trap of love, burned by your fire. Trap of love, snared by desire. Trap of love, beware the trap of love.
You hear the screeching of an owl. You hear the wind begin to howl. You know there's zombies on the prowl. It's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. You just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. You hear the beating of your heart. You know the screaming's gonna start. Here comes the really scary part. It's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. You just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. All the trees begin to moan, and the monsters grunt and groan. Rotting beasts full of slime. Don't you know it's terror time? It's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. You just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. It's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. You just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time. All the trees begin to moan, and the monsters grunt and groan. Rotting beasts full of slime. Don't you know it's terror time? It's terror time again. They've got you running through the night. It's terror time again. You just might die of fright. It's a terrifying time.
You're still here. It's over. Go home. Oh, you're expecting a teaser for Deadpool 2. Well, we don't have that kind of money. You expecting Sam Jackson show up with an eye patch and a saucy little leather number? Go. Oh, and don't leave your garbage all lying around. It's a total dick move. Go.